If you've ever wanted to add a QR code directly inside Microsoft Word, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a QR code in Microsoft Word using a built-in field code method that's fast, simple, and surprisingly useful. This is great for resumes, flyers, business documents, event handouts, menus, product sheets, and anything else where you want people to scan a link instantly. And if you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump into Microsoft Word and get started. The first thing you need to do is place your cursor where you want the QR code to appear. This could be at the top of a document, near the bottom, or anywhere you want the code to sit on the page. Once your cursor is in position, press Ctrl plus F9 on your keyboard. This is important because Word uses this shortcut to insert field brackets, and those brackets are what we need to create the QR code command. When you press Ctrl plus F9, you'll see a pair of curly brackets appear. These are not typed normally, so make sure you use the keyboard shortcut. Inside those brackets, you're going to type a special field code. The format is Displaybarcode, then your URL in quotation marks, and then QR at the end. For example, if you want to create a QR code for Google, you would type Displaybarcode, https google.com, QR. If you're using your own website, landing page, booking link, payment link, or social profile, just replace the sample link with your own URL. Make sure the link is complete and properly formatted, including HTTPS if needed, because that helps Word generate the code correctly. Once the field code is entered, take a moment to double-check that everything is typed accurately. Even a small typo in the URL can cause the QR code to point to the wrong place or fail to work properly. After that, right-click on the code and choose Toggle Field Codes. This is the step that actually turns the text field into the QR code graphic. Once you do that, Word should generate the QR code right on the page. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a second, or click out of the field and then back into it. In many cases, the QR code will display as soon as the field code is toggled. And that's really all there is to it. You've now created a QR code in Microsoft Word without needing a separate generator or extra software. This method is especially useful when you want to keep everything inside one document and move quickly. You can also resize the QR code if needed by adjusting the surrounding space or changing the layout of your document. A few quick tips before you finish. First, always test the QR code with your phone before sending or printing the document. That way you can confirm it opens the correct link. Second, if you need to update the destination later, just go back to the field code and replace the URL. Third, if the QR code doesn't look right at first, make sure the field brackets were inserted with Ctrl plus F9 and not typed manually. If this video helped you learn something new, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.